The Hyper GoGo Kids electric motorcycle is a delightful blend of retro aesthetics and modern features designed specifically for young riders. For parents seeking a fun yet safe mode of transport for their children, this electric motorcycle stands out in a crowded market due to its thoughtful design and impressive functionality. One of the most striking features of the Hyper GoGo motorcycle is its retro-style design. The bike captures the essence of classic motorcycles with its rounded edges, vintage color palettes, and attention to detail. The sleek chassis, combined with the charming headlight that resembles a classic bike, immediately draws the attention of both kids and adults. It comes in several vibrant colors, allowing kids to choose their favorite, which can make the unboxing experience even more thrilling. The retro aesthetics not only appeal to children but also provide a nostalgic feel for parents, making it an attractive option for family gifting. Safety is a key consideration for any child's vehicle, and the Hyper GoGo excels in this area. The motorcycle is equipped with a stable three-wheel design, which provides excellent balance and ensures that young riders can enjoy their adventures without the risk of tipping over. The maximum speed of about 3 to 5 miles per hour is perfect for younger children, allowing them to experience the thrill of riding while still being under control. The bike is also fitted with safety features like a low-to-the-ground seat that makes it easy for children to mount and dismount, as well as a sturdy frame that can withstand the wear and tear of outdoor play. Another standout feature of the Hyper GoGo is its ambient lighting. The built-in LED lights not only enhance the visual appeal of the motorcycle but also improve visibility during low-light conditions. This feature becomes particularly useful during dusk or cloudy days, ensuring that the child is seen by others and adding an exciting flair to their rides. The ambient lighting can be adjusted, allowing kids to switch between different colors, which adds a personal touch to their biking experience. Performance-wise, the Hyper GoGo doesn't disappoint. It operates on a rechargeable battery that provides up to 1 hour of continuous ride time, depending on terrain and weight. The battery charges relatively quickly, making it easy for kids to get back on the bike after a short break. The electric motor offers a quiet operation, allowing kids to enjoy their adventures without disturbing the peace of the neighborhood. This aspect is particularly appreciated by parents, as it minimizes noise pollution and allows for a more enjoyable ride. Comfort plays a significant role in the overall experience, and the Hyper GoGo does well in this area too. The bike features a padded seat that ensures comfort during longer rides. The handlebars are designed for easy grip, making steering smooth and effortless for young riders. The overall ergonomics of the bike cater well to children, allowing them to feel confident and in control while riding. Assembly is another crucial aspect of purchasing a child's electric motorcycle. The Hyper GoGo comes with clear instructions and all necessary tools, making the assembly process straightforward for parents, even those who may not be particularly handy. Most users report being able to set up the bike in under 30 minutes, which is a plus for busy households looking for quick solutions. However, it's essential to consider a few caveats. While the motorcycle is designed for kids, it is recommended for ages 3 to 8 years, which means that older children may quickly outgrow it. Additionally, the maximum weight limit is around 66 pounds, so parents should keep this in mind if they have larger children. It is also important for parents to supervise their kids during rides, especially in the initial stages, to ensure they are comfortable and safe. In terms of value for money, the Hyper GoGo Kids electric motorcycle is competitively priced compared to similar offerings in the market. With its combination of safety, performance, and design, it provides an enjoyable and secure riding experience that justifies its price tag. Overall, the Hyper GoGo Kids electric motorcycle is a fantastic choice for parents looking to give their children a taste of independence and adventure. Its retro design, safety features, and vibrant ambient lighting make it a charming and